right, I believe we are recording now. So hello, Ben. Hello, Milan. We are talking about pattern word problems today. A pattern is just a repeated sequence. Growing patterns can increase, which means to go up, or decrease, which means to go down. Good. To identify the pattern or the rule, first circle the numbers and identify if the pattern is increasing or decreasing. Thank you. Then you will find the difference between each number in the series and write it down. That's when we're looking for that rule. What does difference mean?
Subtract.
Good. Difference means subtract. And writing it down is how we write down the rule. Next, I like these transitional words. Next, find out how the differences between the numbers are connected. Once you know the pattern or rule, you can extend it or make it longer by coming up with the next numbers in the sequence. We practiced earlier. We had a pattern here where I gave you the first 8 shapes. I went heart, circle, heart, heart, circle, heart, 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 circle. And I asked you guys, hey, which one would be the 12th without having these drawn in? And you guys were able to draw in the rest of it to figure out what would be the 12th. Because sometimes when people make tests, they don't ask you which one comes next. They ask you which one will be the 12th shape. Which one will be the 14th shape. They won't always ask you what's next. The only way you'll know what the question is asking you is if you read carefully. So please read pattern questions very careful, because I every year have students who get tripped up because they're not reading carefully. Yes? What? Yes. Well, it is sort of a repeating pattern, but it's actually, this one here is increasing because I'm going 1 heart, 2 hearts, 3 hearts, and then this would be 4 hearts. So it's actually getting greater each time. All right, let's look at this first word problem together, shall we? Do I have everyone's eyes?
Yeah.
Perfection. Oh my goodness. It probably came from a pen. I'm going to throw it away. Thank you. Jimmy is training for a marathon. Good job, Jimmy. He practices by running every day. On Monday, he ran 1 mile. On Tuesday, he ran 3 miles. On Wednesday, he ran 5 miles. How many miles will Jimmy be able to run on Friday? All right, now, this checklist helps us to walk step by step through this problem. Before I can solve the problem, what should we do? Read carefully and highlight. All right, y'all, help me out. What should I highlight?
He ran 1 mile.
Okay, numbers. We should definitely highlight the numbers. 1 mile on Monday, 3 miles on Tuesday, and on Wednesday it was 5.
How many?
Birthday girl, will you get me a sheet of scratch paper? Thank you. I want to show you guys how this should look on a test, because will you have scratch paper?
Yes.
Do I expect you to use it?
Yes.
Excellent. All right, I'm going to call this number 1 because I can. Thank you, love. All right, number 1. I can turn this into a pattern by saying I'm going to put M for Monday, T for Tuesday, W for Wednesday, TH for Thursday, and F for Friday. There isn't a Thursday in the question, is there?
No.
Just like when I showed you this pattern, I didn't have 9, 10, and 11 written down, but I asked you for the 12th shape. You have to assume that there's a Thursday. Ooh, I almost spilled some drink, but we're good. You have to know that there's a Thursday in between Wednesday and Friday, right?
Yeah.
So there's something missing in the pattern. You can't just give you the next number. Let's write it all down so we know what we're doing. Okay, so Monday was 1. Tuesday was 3. Wednesday was, we don't know Thursday, right? And we don't know Friday. 1 to 3 is the difference of what?
2.
Okay, so we're probably adding 2. What's the difference between 3 and 5?
2.
Do y'all think you know the pattern now?
Yes.
What is the rule?
2.
Add 2 plus 2. So the next one would be,
7. And then the next one.
is that my answer?
Yes.
So I should say the answer is 7 miles?
No.
No! But guess what, guys? Guess what?
What?
Every year I have students who look at this question and say, oh, Miss Elkins, the answer is 7. I figured it out. I cracked the code. But no. That's because they're not reading carefully. You can't stop on Thursday. You have to keep going to which day? In fact, I'm going to highlight Friday because that's what the question wants to find out, is Friday.
I can't believe you did not crack the code.
I didn't. All right. To find out Friday, I need to add 2 more, which is 9. So the answer to the question is 9 miles. Jimmy ran 9 miles on Friday. Does that make sense? It's a patterns word problem. We have to read it very carefully to understand what it's asking, and we have to write it down on scratch paper.
Listen, too.
Yeah, go for it.